Hey, grade 3. I'm sure you are so excited to take today's lesson, the revision of the grammar. We will revise the 3 lessons combining sentences, commas, and quotations. Maybe the revision will be a little bit longer, so maybe I will divide it into different many videos that you have to watch today. So, if you want to, you can use your worksheet that I sent to Miss Farah, so get that worksheet ready and listen. Let's start with the combining sentences. When you combine sentences, you join two sentences that are the same, that are about the same topic. You make them into one sentence. This is very simple. Once again, what do you do when you're combining sentences? You join two sentences into one sentence that is much bigger, and that sentences must have the same topic. Simple. That is a very useful lesson for writing, because in your writing you are using short sentences and sometimes you can just combine them and make much longer and interesting sentences. First of all, you can join the two simple sentences to form compound sentences. We already know this lesson. So, when you join two simple sentences into a compound sentence, you can use conjunction words and, but, and or. And what do you need to do if you use these conjunction words? You should not forget to put the comma. The comma will be in front of the conjunction words, right? Don't forget that. That's very important information. So, here you have two simple sentences. Jen drew a tree. I drew a bird. How can we join them together? Jen drew a tree and I drew a bird. We join them together with conjunction and we place the comma in front of it. We can also join words with word or. We can read a story. We can watch a movie. Join them together. We can read a story or we can watch a movie. That is joining two sentences with a conjunction word or, and what we will not forget to put in front of the conjunction, of course, comma. And last one, we can join also with the conjunction word but. For example, my mom likes reading books, but my dad likes to watch football. We join two sentences with the conjunction word but. Please place the comma in front of the conjunction word. Now, we can also join sentences that have the same subject. Like here you have a Mike got blue paint. Mike painted the sky. The two sentences have the same subject. Subject is the person or place or animal that the sentence is about. In these sentences, we are talking about Mike. Is the same subject. So we can put them together. Now, these words are the words that are not repeating. So what will we do? The words that do not repeat, we join them together with word and. And now the word Mike, the second one, will go away. And the sentence will be Mike got blue paint and painted the sky. So the words that are under the line that joins the two groups of words that are not same, under the words that are under, these will be cancelled. They will disappear. And the sentence will look like this. Mike got blue paint and painted the sky. One more. The house was old, the house was ruined. Which words are the same words in the subject? Of course, the house and was. The words that are not repeated are the words old and ruin. These words we will join together with word and. That means that these words will disappear and the sentence will go from here and here to there. It will look like this. The house was old and ruined. See, the house was old and ruined. Do you understand? Great. Now we're going to combine the two sentences that have the same predicate. The predicate is the part of the sentence that shows the action, what the subject does. Tom finished the work. Mike finished the work. Which words are repeated? Which words are the same? Finished the work. Right. And which words are not repeating? Let's put them in the circle. Tom and Mike, these are not repeating. So these words that are not repeating, we join them together with word and. The words that are under the connection part will disappear. And we will read the sentence from here. Tom and Mike finished the work. See, Tom and Mike finished the work. One more example. Mom listened to the news. Dad listened to the news. Which predicate words repeat themselves? Listen to the news. And which words do not repeat themselves? Put them in the circle. Join them with word and. What will happen to these words under the connecting part? These words under the connecting part will disappear and the sentence will go like this. Mom and Dad listen to the news. Do you understand? So, one more. Again, Jack is reading the story. Tom is reading the story. Which words in the predicate are repeating? Is reading the story. Is reading the story. Which words or subjects are not the same? Jack, Tom. Join them together with word and. What will happen to these words under the connection part? They will disappear. Jack and Tom. Now, we will change the verb because when you use is, that is for singular person. But we have now two people. So, Jack and Tom, not is, but are reading the story. Great. Are we ready? Then get your worksheets ready and solve this part. First page. Combine each pair of sentences into a compound sentence. Use the conjunction in the parentheses. People in France explored caves. They found murals. Join it with word and. It will look like this. What will you do? Change the period into comma, join or add the conjunction word and change the capital T into small t. People in France explored caves, comma, and they found murals. Now let's do the second one. Do you like art? Do you like reading? Join it together with conjunction word or. It will look like this. You will change the question mark into comma, add the conjunction word or, and change the capital D into small d. Do you like art or do you like reading? Last one. Tom draws well. Some students can draw better. Join them together with word but. Did you follow the 3 steps? First step, change the period into comma. Second step, add the conjunction word. And the third step, change the capital letter of the second sentence into small. That's it. Change the period into comma, add the conjunction word, and change the capital letter of the second sentence into small letter. That's it. Tom draws well, comma, but some students can draw better. Great. Now let's join these two sentences together. The first one has the same subject. The second one, they have the same predicate. Join them together. I will give you the answers in a minute. Ready for the answers? Well, as you see, my favorite book and my favorite book is repeating. So the words nice and funny will be joined together with word and. These words will go away. It will be my favorite book is nice and funny. Now here we have Maria likes to paint, Tom likes to paint. The words that do not repeat are Maria and Tom. We join them with conjunction word and, with connective word and. These words will disappear. Maria and Tom likes to paint. One more mistake. When one person is doing action, we add s, likes. But when you have two people doing the action, you do not put s, only like. Make sure you have that answer like that. Great job. Now, join these sentences together. Tim painted a park. Lee painted a park. Do you need my help? Well, for some students, I do have to help you, right? So let's go. Which words are repeating? Painted a park. Painted a park, right? Which words are not repeating? Tim, Lee. This one we will put in the circle. The words that are not repeating, join them together with word and. I will just draw a plus because it's difficult for me to put and. These words will go away. So the sentence will be Tim and Lee painted a park. The pictures are big, the pictures are bright. Join them. If you want to work alone, please do. And then check if you have the same answer. So, the pictures are big, the pictures are bright. Which are the words that repeat? Which words are the same? Underline them. Which words are not the same? Put them in the circle. Right here and here. Bright is not the same. We will join them with word and. So what will happen to these words under the connection part? They will disappear, right? And the sentence will go, the pictures are big and bright. You see, the pictures are big and bright. Let's go to question number 6. That's a little bit difficult. A mural can entertain people. A mural can teach people. The words that are repeating are these words. A mural can. A mural can. But also people. And people. Right? So, these words are not the same. Put them in the circle. These words that are not the same, we need to join them with word and. And now let's read the sentence. What happens to these? The words that are under the connective parts will go away. Read the sentence. A mural can entertain and teach people. And the last one. Public buildings are good places for murals. Parks are good places for murals. The words that are repeating are good for murals. Oops, are good for murals. The words that are not repeating are public buildings and parks. We will join them together with word and. But this part will disappear. This one will go away. So the sentence will be, Public buildings and parks are good places for murals. Did you do it right like me? Well, I hope so. That's the lesson 1. Now we have the lesson 2, commas. Please continue in the second video.